Hey guys, recording from Ridgecrest, the epicenter of the earthquakes. We're on our way there right now. Just giving you a little vision from what we see. I'll report more here in just a little bit. Here is some more footage. This is my mother-in-law's house. As you can see, the earthquake cracked that straight through to the point where you could look all the way through to the other side. Cracked the facade at the bottom. Hey guys, live here from Ridgecrest. This is some of the aftermath of earthquake, the 7.1 magnitude earthquake. This house caught on fire. Crazy.
Go subscribe to Aj Gruszecki. Go to my website, ajgruszecki64/Wix. Go check it out.